Hey, Lawrence here. Just like to show you what our classes look like and what they feel like. You'll see in front of you, there's a paired passage, one of the more trickier parts of the SAT itself. What we're able to do here with our classes is visually display what the students have to do. The modeling aspect of it is so important. So I just want to show you what that looks like. First thing I would have the students do is read what the titles are, because there's so much that could be taken from titles. Titles are essentially summaries of articles. And with those summaries, we're able to take a look at passage one and maybe right away figure out what the link is between the two. But that's not the start of it, right? Most students would just read it and answer questions, but there's so much more strategy that goes into this. And we're able to show this through the modeling that we do. So we go right down to the questions, and you'll see number 21, as used in line 8, practice most nearly means. Well, here's exactly what I have students do, and I'm able to show it to them, I mean, really right in front of their faces on the screen. It really works well. You'll see, as used in line 8, practice means. That's a lot different from most nearly means. You see, most nearly means implies that all answer choices can be correct, but that's not right, because you must have one right answer and 3 wrong answers. And if we have that idea always in our head, we're able to manipulate the answer choices to our advantage. But take a look what we do next, right? We go up to the word practice, which is right here, bracket out the sentence, and we read it. We're going to use the word blank instead of the word practice to get a feel for what the actual word could be. Remember, there are 4 words that are given for every one word. They're all synonyms of the word, but how is the word being used in context? But research now reveals that the common blank of cloud seeding with materials such as silver oxide and frozen carbon dioxide may not be as effective as it had been hoped. All right, so that the common blank of cloud seeding, I think something like maybe activity. So let's go see if something like the word activity would match. A procedure, common procedure, that's close to activity. Profession, that's like a job activity. Background, that's not going to work. And rehearsal won't work either. So the answer has to be procedure. And you'll notice that we're able to utilize this method very easily, and therefore allow students to have a much higher percentage chance of getting the answers right when they do see them. Now, that's just one way to do one of the problems, but you'll notice that we can move through and just allow students to visualize exactly what they have to do. Here it says third paragraph. We go right to that third paragraph and we figure out exactly what we're being asked. You see, one of the hardest things for teenagers to do is follow the directions to a T. Now, that may seem like something very simple to do, but on a test like this, following the directions, doing exactly what you're told is the key to success. Our methods, and the way that we display this really does help students to accomplish what they have to accomplish and increase their scores.